guys, welcome back. I have another What Sold video for you. I wanted to do one now before there was too many items and the video just got way too long. So I was looking at the sold items and I figured, you know what? Now's the perfect time to do one. So the first item I'm going to show you is a Mega Constructs Halo Pro Builders figure. I purchased these. These were actually one of our first videos we did. I've had it for a while. I had 3 different ones. I picked these up at Target. I probably made $1, if that. They did not sell like they did whenever I scanned them. They basically, the sold comps were really good when I bought them, and I'm not sure if the market got flooded or what. But I held on to these, lowered the price, Finally, this last one is out of here. So we're happy with that. And the next thing was an Arnold Palmer first day of issue, first day cover from the post office. I think this was from the Bay Hill golf tournament down in Florida. The post office usually does first day covers where they'll put the stamp on it and then cancel it from that post office down there. So I bought these directly from the post office, and to save on shipping, I bought a few of them. I bought 1 to keep and I think 3 or 4 to sell. And I finally sold the last one. Sold it for $2 plus shipping, so made maybe $1 or $2 on that one too. The next item was a Yetirambler Cup Lid. We love Yetis. You've probably seen them in all of our videos. So we bought some new lids, so we had some extra ones. So we just selling off the extra ones we don't need. $6.99 plus shipping. The next thing was the Black & Decker Jr. electric nail gun, which I thought was a real nail gun at first, and then I found out it was only a plate nail gun. But we picked this up at the bin, so I don't think it weighed that much. We got $8 plus shipping, so that was a nice little profit on that one. The next thing was the Budweiser hanging melted beer bottle spoon rest. I've seen these all over the place, different things. I have a Penguins one. I'm not sure even if it's sold yet, but I found these at a yard sale. I paid $1 each. I have a couple other different beers too. Like I said, I paid $1 each at the community yard sale I went to. $10.99 plus shipping, so can't beat that. Next thing that went out was a Friday the 13th costume prop Jason adult mask, hockey mask. $11 plus shipping. I have 2 of these. I bought these. I've had these probably for a couple years. Only I was trying to get the guys who played Jason in the movie to sign these. So never worked out. I have all these masks, so I'm getting rid of them. Next thing was the Nintendo 2DS, 3DS Animal Crossing case. I picked these up at Ross. They were on clearance there, and I bought a bunch of them. And I think I'm down to 1 more, so I don't have much into these at all. $6.49 plus shipping. Next thing was a Pittsburgh Penguin puck. I had 25 of these pucks. I still have 24. This is the first one that sold, which I was kind of shocked. I thought the Penguins pucks would have moved a little bit better, especially now they're out of the playoffs, so a lot of people are probably not getting them. But $3.54 plus shipping, so can't beat it. Next thing was the JVC digital video camcorder with accessories. It had 2 tapes, had all the chargers, everything. It was tested and worked. I even showed a picture of it working in the auction. Picked this and the Apple iPod up at a local auction, and I think for the iPod and the camcorder, I think after my fees and after my winning bid was like $42. So we got $74.99 plus shipping for the camcorder, and I think we got, I can't remember what we got for the iPod now, 20 bucks I think. So overall we at least doubled our money, if not a little bit more, so we were very happy with that. Next thing was the Lennox fine crystal wine glasses. I know I mentioned in the last video all the champagne flutes sold and all the water glasses sold, so all we have is the wine glasses left. We had 5 of them. 2 of them just sold. $21.98 for both plus shipping. I know I said I probably wouldn't buy these again unless they were cheap enough and multiple quantities, but they are so, even though they're fragile, like I mentioned before, they are super easy to ship. I put them in an 11 by 6 by 6 box, wrap them in bubble wrap, and they fit perfectly in the box. They don't move at all. The 11 by 6 by 6 boxes are also good for other things. That's why I get those on Amazon. they've been great. They fit a lot of stuff, a lot more stuff. I actually bought them just for the glasses, but I ended up using them for other things. So that was a good one. I still got 3 more wine glasses left, and once those are out here, we're good. The last thing for this video it sold was a Linksys 16-port wired router. This came from that bulk buy I made of the person that was leaving the state. We ended up getting $15.99 plus shipping for that. Like I said, I don't have much into that at all. Maybe $2, $3. So it wasn't a huge profit, but hey, money's money, and it got out of the man cave. That's it. That's all we have for right now. Like I said, I wanted to keep this one short and to the point. I didn't want a long what's sold video. So that's why I kind of tried to get through it. If you have any questions, comments, or anything about any of these items or something like that, comment below. Even reach out into our email. We'll get back to you guys. Also, keep an eye out. We will be announcing a giveaway very soon. It's about ready. I'm thinking the video is going to go up Monday. So hopefully you stay tuned in this video. You can hear you can get a little sneak peek for when it's going to be coming up. But I'm thinking it's going to be Monday or Tuesday. We're not sure yet. So hopefully you guys are having a great week. Week's almost over. It's going to be the weekend. So it looks like the weather's going to be semi-decent here. Hot, but it's all good. Until next time, guys, remember, like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and keep picking. Bye.